In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose between Duolingo Max and Duolingo Plus. We'll walk through the Duolingo website so you can see where to compare features, pick a plan, and start a free trial without guesswork. First, open your browser and go to duolingo.com. Once you're on your home screen, move your mouse to the left sidebar and hover over the section labeled More. That opens a menu with additional options. Click Settings to enter your account settings. Inside Settings, find the subscription area. This is where Duolingo puts all plan information. Click. Choose a plan to open the comparison page. Here you'll typically see two tiers. Plus, which focuses on an ad-free experience, unlimited hearts, and progress tools. And Max, which includes everything in Plus, along with AI-powered extras, like interactive practice and detailed answer explanations. Availability can vary by language and region, so glance at any notes on the page to confirm it works for your course. When you're ready to explore pricing, click Start. On the next screen, look for the Try For option. This begins a free trial so you can test the plan before you pay. Click Start My Free 7 Days. You may see the same button again as a confirmation. Click Start My Free 7 Days once more to proceed. Now you'll choose your billing cycle. If you prefer the best rate over time, select the 12-month option. If you want flexibility, monthly may suit you better, though it's usually a higher effective rate. If you're sharing with others in your household, you can switch to the family plan to cover multiple accounts under one subscription while still choosing between Plus and Max features. After you've settled on the plan and cycle, click Start My Free 7 Days to finalize the trial selection. You'll land on the billing information screen. Enter your payment details and review the summary carefully. Check the renewal date, the price after the trial, and any taxes shown. Trials convert automatically, so set a reminder if you're still deciding. You can cancel during the trial in the same subscription area without losing progress. That's it. By reaching the plan picker through settings, you can clearly compare Duolingo Plus and Duolingo Max, start a risk-free trial, and choose annual or family options with confidence. While you're trying it out, notice which benefits matter most to you. If you lean on AI role plays and instant explanations, Max will likely deliver more value. If you just want an ad-free flow with unlimited hearts, Plus is a solid choice. Your course progress and streak carry over no matter which plan you keep.